You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
The previous OPPO Reno15 series earned a lot of love from young users thanks to its sleek design, strong camera setup, smooth performance, and smart features. But many Reno 14 owners pointed out a common issue. Although still photos looked great, things fell apart when trying to capture movement. Selfies with scenic backgrounds often ended up blurry or missing important parts of the shot. This year, the OPPO Reno15 series tackles those problems head-on. It keeps the signature Reno look and imaging strengths, but fixes those small weaknesses with a redesigned style and a fully upgraded real-time camera system. Everyday usability also gets a boost, especially when it comes to battery life. And today, we're taking a hands-on look at the OPPO Reno15 Pro in its stunning Starlight Butterfly finish. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Starlight Butterfly color uses OPPO's holographic lithography process to create a true 3D visual effect that you can see with the naked eye. On the finely textured glass back, the flowing ribbon-like pattern, soft mesh effect, and shimmering silver accents come together to create an elegant ballet-inspired aesthetic. It looks delicate, modern, and definitely stands out. OPPO also polished the details. The aluminum alloy frame has a soft, refined sheen, while the back uses a unibody cold-carved glass process. The crater-like camera module blends seamlessly into the panel, and subtle star-shaped highlights echo the back's texture, giving the design even more depth. It's the kind of finish that looks better the more you look at it. Big phones used to feel heavy on the wrist, but despite its 6.78-inch display, the Reno15 Pro weighs just 205 grams. That means scrolling, shooting, and even long TikTok sessions still feel light and comfortable in one hand. The ultra-slim 1.15mm bezel also sets a new record for OPPO, creating a nearly borderless viewing experience for videos and live streams. And since it uses a flat display instead of a curved one, it avoids accidental touches when typing or gaming. With a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and support for 1.07 billion colors, everything feels buttery smooth with natural, lifelike color output. It also comes with full-level IP69 water resistance, so everyday splashes or brief exposure to water aren't something to stress over. Looking back at the Reno 14 series, its live streaming and motion shots already looked decent, but they still lacked that punch of creativity. The Reno 15 Pro takes things a big step further with a new 200-megapixel main camera and full focal length coverage. Its 1.56-inch sensor and large f1.8 aperture pull in plenty of light. When shooting live photos, cover resolution jumps from 12 megapixels to 25 megapixels, finally matching the clarity between the still cover and the dynamic clip. You can crop in without losing sharpness, eliminating that old frustration of blurry live photo thumbnails. Capturing faraway moving subjects used to mean choosing between zooming in and losing detail or moving closer physically. Now, the Reno 15 series 3.5x periscope telephoto lens changes the game. Combined with OIS, it keeps distant live photos sharp and full of dynamic range. The ultra-wide-angle lens also solves the challenge of shooting large scenes in live photo mode. The Reno 15 Pro upgrades both the front and rear cameras to 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensors with AF autofocus, giving you stronger control and better results in any scenario. Apple may have introduced live photos, but OPPO is taking the fun to a whole new level. One standout addition is Live Collage, one of this year's best creative features. You can shoot and instantly share stylish live photo collages straight from the gallery, perfect for platforms like Xiaohongshu or any social app where eye-catching posts matter. Another highlight is the CCD-style Flash Live Photo mode. While the previous generation already supported Flash Live Photos, the Reno 15 Pro enhances the overall texture. The results look like they were taken with a retro CCD camera, but with clean motion details preserved. Turning on strobe mode also cuts down ambient light interference, letting facial expressions show up clearly and crisply. When it comes to battery life, the OPPO Reno 15 Pro takes a huge leap forward. It packs a massive 6,500 mAh battery, the biggest ever in the entire Reno lineup. Paired with 80-watt SuperVOOC flash charge, topping up the phone is incredibly fast. In real-world testing, it hit 28% in just 10 minutes, reached 70% in half an hour, and fully charged in only 47 minutes. With the combination of a huge battery, SuperVOOC fast charging, and OPPO's battery health engine, you get a phone that not only charges smarter, but also lasts longer over time. It's genuinely impressive for everyday use. The Reno15 Pro isn't just about cameras, it also doubles as a solid gaming companion. Powered by the Dimensity 8450 chipset and supported by LPDDR5X memory and UFS 3.1 storage, it easily keeps up with daily gaming demands. OPPO's exclusive Tide engine further optimizes performance, making it more efficient and responsive. For example, when playing Honor of Kings, you can enable the Game Assistant's super frame rate mode to boost gameplay from the standard 60 FPS all the way up to a smooth 120 FPS. And thanks to OPPO's Super HDR technology, in-game lighting and shadow details look far more lifelike. For most gamers, this performance is more than enough for casual and competitive play. On the software side, ColorOS 16 has been deeply optimized to improve app launches and page transitions. With hardware-level performance scheduling, even switching between multiple apps at the same time stays smooth and lag-free. The new Minute Memory feature also steps in as a handy productivity tool. If you come across a long public account video you don't want to sit through, it can automatically analyze and summarize it for you, saving tons of time. These small touches really enhance daily convenience. For young users who care about style and photography, the Reno15 Pro's Starlight Butterfly design brings fashionable flair, while the upgraded live imaging system makes every photo and video instantly share-worthy. And for those who need both entertainment and reliability, the Dimensity 8450 and the huge 6,500 mAh battery easily cover gaming and full-day usage without breaking a sweat. If the previous Reno 14 series felt like a good enough option, the Reno15 Pro is the version that aims for everything. It shows that mainstream camera-focused phones can still deliver a full flagship-level experience across the board. An in-depth review of the OPPO Reno15 Pro is coming soon, so make sure to subscribe and join our tech family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.